tutorial, we are discussing about how to use the length array member. So how to determine the length or size of an array in Java? Yes, we can define the length or size or array of an array in Java with the help of length method. As we all know that there is no size method available with the array. But there is a length field available in the array that can be used to find the length or size of an array. Array.length is a final variable applicable for arrays. With the help of the length variable, we can obtain the size of an array. Here it is the syntax. Int size is equals to arr dot length. Arr is the array variable and dot length is used to identify the, we can say that it is used to find the length of an array. Here is the diagram as array length in Java is equals to array last index plus 1. As the array's last index is 8, as we all know that array starts from 0 index, and so the array's last index will be 8. If I want to array length, if I want to execute the array of 7 variables, then the length of this is 8 because it starts from 0 to 7, and then if 1 is added on it, then it will become 8. Let's see the code how to implement the length method. First of all, we create a class, public class length, test length, and inside this we create public static void main string args, and inside this we create int array is equals to new int 4. And inside we can create an array with the length 4. So if we want to print the length of an array, it will show the value 4 here. Just save it and let's check it. We are already in the file location. Just write javac test length dot java. See, it will compile successfully. Let's execute it. Java test length. Here it will give me the answer. The size of an array is 4 because we have already assigned the length of this length of this array. So it will give me the answer 4. If I write some 10 here, then in this case the length of the Java array will become 10. So it will give me the answer 10. Let's execute it. Hence it compiled successfully. Let's execute it. Yes, it will show me the value. The size of the array is 10. So whatever we assign to the variable inside the square bracket, this is the length of the array, and if we want to print it, it will print the value. So in this way we can use the length method of array. Thank you.